Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to graph fractions on a number line. Okay, so let's start with an example. Let's say the fraction is 1/2. Okay, so on a number line, you're going to draw a point for 0, a point for 1. And we're going to look at the denominator here. I know this is pretty obvious, but I want to go through the mechanics so you know how to do this for any type of fractions. So you look at the denominator, okay, which is your 2 right here. And what this basically says is you need to break up the distance between 0 and 1 into 2 segments, okay? So what you need to do is to put a line right here, and that would be represented by 1/2, okay? And then obviously to plot the half, you would just put a dot right here, okay? So that's how you plot a fraction, in this case 1/2, on a number line. Okay, so let's increase the level of difficulty here and say that we want to graph 3/4. Okay, so again, we're going to draw a number line between 0 and 1. Okay, we look at the denominator again, right here, the number 4. Okay, what that tells us is we want to separate 0 and 1 into 4 different segments. So we're going to cut this in half, and then cut that half into half, and then cut the other half into a half. So now we've got 4 equal segments, okay? Now we know that this first line is 1/2, 1/4, this is 2/4, and this is 3/4. And obviously to plot 3/4, you put the dot at the 3/4 line. Okay, so hopefully you're starting to see this pattern. Let's increase the level of difficulty again one more time. Let's say we want to graph the fraction 3/5. Okay, again, we're going to draw the number line. It's always going to be from 0 to 1. Okay, our denominator is 5, so we need to break this up into 5 equal parts. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then we can plot these points, and this will be 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and then obviously 1. Okay, and then you plot 3/5 where the 3/5 is. Okay, all right, one more try. Let's say we want to plot another fraction. Let's say 1/6. Okay, again, we draw the number line between 0 and 1. We're going to break this up into 6 equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to break this in half, and then in that half segment, I'm going to have 2, and then in the other half, I'm going to have 2. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal segments, and therefore the first line is going to be 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. Okay, and now we plot the point 1/6 right here. Okay, hopefully that made a lot of sense. Hope you follow the pattern or the procedures that I provided to you. and good luck with graphing fractions on a number line. Thank you.